Hi, I'm in my workshop today. It's a bit messy, but it does the job. And I'm William, and my birthday last week, I got some building materials, and the first thing I'm going to make is a money box. This is my sketch. Oops, I've done it upside down. These are my dimensions and each side down this side. And now I've got to sketch them out on my piece of plywood.
I use a set square to mark out two lines 8 centimeters from the edge. And then I use a ruler to join those two lines together. Once I mark them out, my dad cuts them out with a jigsaw.
We got it all sanded with this sanding block. Now it's time to build the box itself. As you can see, if we stick this together like this, it won't have that much strength in the glue. So we've bought this when I was out as well. So we're going to put this in the corner and then push it to it and then glue it. And then it'll be a lot stronger and more firm. I'm sanding off the little square bits of wood that I've showed you just before. I'm just finishing off. After this, it will be gluing. Today we're using Gorilla Glue. So we're going to lay them all out, which is kind of tricky, but it'll do. And then we're going to glue them down. Let's start gluing.
I know I look a funny colour, but I am not sick. I'm still learning about lighting when I'm filming, so the video always looks different.
I think they're done now, so we need to put a heavy weight on top. We're not going to put a heavy weight on top because I've been a bit messy and put glue on the top of the bits of wood here, so I'm not. And it's all done now, so it's going to take a couple of hours to dry. Right, now we've got to start gluing the sides on. Got it all done now, so I think we've got to leave it set. It's been 24 hours, now we need to take the weight off. It's pretty solid. So, these ends that we made are too small, so we've got to put it on a piece of plywood, draw around it and cut it out. We've got some plywood that are a little bit of a cut off from another project. So I've got my joiner's pencil. I'm just going to square it up on the edge. Always go in the corner so you're not wasting plywood. Oh, leads come out. Got to sharpen it again. Here I am sharpening my joiner's pencil. This is a unique sharpener because it's not like any other, because the joiner's pencil are rectangular and normal pencils are circle, so it's a different one. It's like this turns in there, so it sharpens, and then that's it. Get sharpening. I got it sharpened, so let's get drawing. That's one. Now we need to do the other. Two done. Got the two ends cut out now, so I've got to get sanding. For some reason, the microphone on my camera stopped working, so I had to do voiceovers. I'm sorry about this. To put my money in the money box, I need to have a hole. The biggest coin I know is a £2 coin, so that's how big it is going to be. The width of the plywood is 9 centimeters, so I've got to half that, and then with two lines, top and bottom, and then I will join those two lines together with my ruler. This is called the centre line. We've got to drill 2 holes that the £2 coin will fit between on the centre line. To drill the holes, we are using a pillar drill. This pillar drill is the newest tool in my workshop. I can only just reach it, so I'm standing on a piece of wood. The red plastic guard should be covering the chuck, but it's not. You should be wearing safety glasses, but I couldn't find mine. Once I drill one hole, I stop the drill. Then I turn the piece of wood around. I've drilled both holes now. Now my dad will cut between the 2 holes with a jigsaw. It's all cut now, so I need to sand it, and it's nice and smooth to get the £2 coin in. Now it's time for gluing. It's a bit messy when I'm gluing, but I like it. When I'm gluing, I'm making sure that it squares so I don't have to break it apart and put it back together. Once it's all glued, we'll put a heavy weight on top, and then we'll wait until tomorrow till it's dry. All dry now. Now we need to lift the weights off. Looks really good. It feels pretty firm and nice and strong. So, and there's the slot that we made to put the money in. But as you can see, these edges are a bit rough, so we're going to go over to my uncle's workshop and get an electric sander to borrow to sand the edges off. All sanded now. It's really smooth. You could paint it if you wanted to, but I don't want to because I like the wood look. I've got change in my pocket. Thanks for watching me make my money box. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more on Little Vids.